What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to build a fire pit on an existing paver patio. Really, you could build this same fire pit just on a gravel base, but in our case we're building it on a patio here. You can see the first step is we get the first layer of the fire pit laid out, and we're taking our measurements to make sure it's centered off of that stake in the middle. Now we're getting the border laid out around it because this fire pit's going to have a border around it. And then we'll start getting our marks so we can draw our circle for our cuts. That's where that plastic edging comes in handy. We marked how far out our border comes past our fire pit blocks, and then we're using the plastic edging to make a nice perfect circle all the way around. So now we pulled everything off, and you can see I have my IQ saw set up over there, and Corey's just bringing me the blocks one at a time. And you can see that nice edge starting to form. Some guys cut these freehand with a gas saw, a concrete saw. I've done that before, but personally I like the results better with the IQ saw. But it can definitely be done with the handheld. It just requires a little bit more skill, I guess, and patience. So now we're making sure the base is level, and our patio has a pitch so the water doesn't sit on it, but we're going to want the fire pit to be perfectly level. So we had to build up that outer edge a little bit. Now you can see we're going around, getting them all leveled, making sure, there's no high edges, everything's flush and sits tight to the block next to it. Once we get this first course done, then we're going to apply our adhesive and just start building the layers up from there. You want to use plenty of adhesive. You don't want to be shy on this part. Make sure that these blocks never move. This fire pit, I believe, has 5 courses. This is the 4th course here, you can see. We're also going to be adding a smokeless fire ring to this, which you'll see here in a second. Yeah, that was the last course there. We gave it some time for that adhesive to cure. I think this is just later that same day. You can see Corey pulling the fire ring out of the box over there. It's made by Breeo. You can check those guys out. The insert itself is smaller than the opening in our paver fire pit, so we're installing this spacer here, and that gap is what allows the airflow around the insert to give you the smokeless effect. This is all stainless steel, and there's also a lid you'll see here in a second that you can put over top of the fire pit, so when it's not in use it's not getting filled with water and debris and stuff. But as usual, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And if you're interested in seeing the full video of this entire project, I'll leave a link right now at the end of this video. You can click on it down in the corner to check it out.